In Volume 12 of Railfanning with the Bednars, we'll view lost footage captured by the Bednar boys of early Conrail and Delaware and Hudson from December 1976 to March of 1978. The first few years of Conrail was a challenging time, and everyone was still finding their place in the organization. The change of operations, along with the beginning of rebuilding equipment and infrastructure, and the dedicated hard work of the employees, kept the freight moving. During this period, you could still see a wide mix of power from all the railroads, as well as foreign power on run-through freights. Although regarded as the competition, the D&H was still running enough trains that their movements remained largely unhindered on Conrail infrastructure. But that would change in the next few years as Conrail's focus on operations changed. While filmed mostly in the Lehigh Valley area, the gang made their usual trip to capture the action in western PA as well. Let's go back and let Big Mike tell the story of the lost Conrail and D&H footage as only he can, with his usual colloquial humor.
On moving equipment, don't say nothing. Goodbye. It's volume 12, but it would actually be 6.5 if you follow it. The lost Conrail and D&H footage. This is a star going through the yard at Allentown. There's the lower end of the Heaviside office. Engines at the lower end of the Heaviside. Here comes a short turnaround off the bridge at Bethlehem with the coal train. Now we chase it down along River Road. There's a Reddington. There he slows for Lucy's Curve at Glendon. He pulled on all three at Abbott so that the hind end clears to go over the L&H so somebody could come west. There's Eddie right now. And here comes the star again. Donnie Miller's running. The 75-72 was just rebuilt. Here's a normal happening. The rail turned over with the pups doing their thing. There's Dave Rader, train master. Oh yeah, yep, they derailed. Easy. There you go, gentle. There's the lower end of the Heaviside drill. Here comes D&H 87 off the LNS going into the park yard.
Somebody else gonna get something out of that leg.
Well, I guess maybe they're not compatible and they want to try something different. They always say, what is it? Variety is the price of life.
Westbound D&H 84. The gates ain't working at Ray Street, so you gotta take it easy going over there. Now he's starting to take off. This is NJ6 coming east with two big U-boats. In the meantime, there's work to be done. Field drill comes out of the field for the park with the 2076. Eastbound Star. There goes the westbound van train at Jack's. Again, helpers on the head end, and you'll see helpers on the rear. This guy was heavy. That might have been like a BEPI, an eastbound freight.
What the heck you got coming east now? Don't tell me them kids opened that switch up there again, I'll bet you. That's what they did.
This is an eastbound freight pulling in the park.
Looks like the kids opened the hockey switch up again. Yeah.
Alright, okay. How are you going to disappear?
Is 8W1's engine coming out yet?
Opening cars being carefully humped at Allentown. And that's the end. See you on Bednars 13, which will be 6 3/4. Ta-ta.